With its positively charged fibers, microfiber cleaning cloths effectively attract, lift, and grab dirt and grime all while being gentle on surfaces. Microfiber towels are the darling of the professional cleaning world for good reason, because they not only save money and the environment, but also they make your cleaning labor more effective with every stroke, says Melissa Homer, Chief Cleaning Officer at MadePro and member of the Spruce's Cleaning Review Board. To choose from, there are a variety of microfiber cleaning cloths, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best microfiber cleaning cloths from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Best Overall. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cloths. These microfiber cloths from Amazon Basics are durable, highly absorbent, and safe to use on a variety of household surfaces. Made from a polyester and polyamide blend, their slightly abrasive textures makes them ideal for cleaning up spills and picking up dust and dirt from surfaces. According to the manufacturer, they can absorb 8 times their own weight and can be washed and reused hundreds of times. With such high absorbency and durability, these cloths are an eco-friendly alternative to paper towels, measuring 12 x 16 inches. They also offer a much larger surface area than other brands. Although the manufacturer claims they're non-abrasive, we don't recommend using them on delicate, scratch-prone surfaces, such as glassware and car paint. These microfiber cloths come in packs of 24, 36, 48, and 144, giving you plenty of bang for your buck. Number 2. Best Budget. Idea 50 PK All-Purpose Softer Highly Absorbent, Lint-Free Microfiber Cloths. This bulk pack of microfiber towels from Idea is affordably priced and versatile enough to use on a variety of surfaces. Made of polyester and polyamide fibers, Idea microfiber cleaning cloths won't scratch stainless steel appliances, paint, or electronics. Because the material is super absorbent, they're perfect for sopping up spills and cleaning around the kitchen sink. Plus, they won't leave behind lint or streaks. The manufacturer claims they will last hundreds of washings and backs their product with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Each pack includes 50 microfiber cloths, so there's no doubt you'll get your money's worth. The microfiber comes in a rainbow of colors, and each of the 5 colors can be designated to a different cleaning task to prevent cross-contamination. They can go in the washing machine for a quick cleanup, but like all microfiber cloths, they should not be exposed to heat. Some users explain that these cloths are too thin to be used on vehicles and are best suited for household use. Number 3. Best Set. E-Cloth Home Cleaning Set. This comprehensive set comes with specialized microfiber cleaning and polishing cloths, allowing you to tackle a variety of household tasks in one swoop. Each cloth is designed for a specific surface, and the pack comes in assorted colors, so you can easily tell them apart. According to the manufacturer, the precision-engineered microfibers remove over 99% of bacteria, mold, and pollen. There's no need for additional chemical cleaners. All you need to do is dampen the cloth with water, making them an environmentally friendly choice. This 8-piece set includes a kitchen cloth with scrubbing pad, a range and stovetop cloth, a stainless steel cloth, 2 glass polishing cloths, a bathroom cloth, a window cloth, and a dusting cloth. To ensure its durability, E-Cloth backs this product with a 1-year or 100 wash promise. Number 4. Best for Kitchenware. Siga Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. These jack-of-all-trades microfiber towels can be used on a variety of surfaces, making them an excellent choice for kitchens. They effectively remove grease from pots and pans and other household appliances, yet they're gentle enough to also eliminate smudges from delicate glasses and silverware. Made of 85% polyester and 15% nylon, these towels are highly absorbent and won't leave any lint or streaks behind. Their lightweight design allows them to dry quickly without picking up any funky odors, making them an ideal choice as a dish rag. The set includes 12 towels in 4 assorted colors: pink, yellow, green, and blue. You can designate different colors for specific tasks, which makes for a more hygienic cleaning experience. For added convenience, these towels are machine washable, but they should not be exposed to heat. With high-quality stitching and reinforced edges, the manufacturer claims these towels can withstand hundreds of washes without unraveling or disintegrating. Number 5. Best for TVs, electronics, and eyeglasses. Magic Fiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. True to its name, the Magic Fiber Microfiber is adept at cleaning all types of electronics, including smartphones, tablets, computer monitors, and LCD television screens. Because of their compact size, 6 x 7 inches, You can keep one in your purse or pocket at the ready. Each pack comes with a protective bag, so the microfiber stays clean while on the go. Made of smaller, densely woven fibers that are extra soft, the magic fiber effectively removes dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints in a matter of seconds. They work equally well on all types of glasses, too, and they're even small enough to fit in an eyeglass case. These cloths are sold in packs of 2, 4, 6, 13, and 30. Because they're so versatile, you might want to keep multiples on hand in your car, home or office. Magic fiber cloths are conveniently machine washable, but the cloths may bleed if you use them with any type of solvent or cleaner. For that reason, be sure to wash them separately or with similar colors. Number 6. Best for cars. Chemical Guy's Professional Grade Premium Microfiber Towel Set. These ultra-soft microfiber cloths are specifically designed to clean a car's delicate surfaces and can be used both on the interior and exterior. Measuring 16 x 16 inches. Expect these absorbent cloths to cover a large surface. They have a dual-sided design for versatile car cleaning. For example, the high pile side wipes away dust and debris, while the low pile side is ideal to remove waxes and sealants or clean windows. The cloths feature silk-banded edges, which prevent swirls and scratches on your car's paint. High pile towels feel like teddy bear fur and are designed to absolutely baby your most delicate surfaces. They're the polishing and buffing towel of choice for car enthusiasts. Homer adds. To top it all off, these cloths can go right in the washing machine for an easy cleanup. They come in packs of 3, 12, 24, 36, and 60 to suit a variety of needs. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.